Good morning. I am Sagar Dalvi, batch July 21. Today's date is 6th of August, and today's video topic is selection statement or conditional statement in Java. Program is a set of instruction executed sequentially to achieve the desired output. But in some scenario, execution of sequential flow is not desirable to achieve the output. Means we need to control the flow of execution of program, and to control the flow of execution of program, Java has flow control statements. Flow control statement in Java generally categorized into three types. The first one is selection or conditional statement, which is a topic for discussion of today's video. The second one is iterative statement. Iterative statement contains four types of structure in Java. The first one is for loop, second one is while loop, third one is a do while loop, and fourth one is for each loop. This fourth structure for each loop we will use in collection framework by using the iterator. The third category of the flow control statement is transfer control statement, which include first one is break, second one is continue, third one is return, fourth one is try catch finally, and the last one is assert. Let's discuss conditional or selection statement in detail. Again, conditional statement is divided into the two types. The first one is if else, and second one is switch case. So let's discuss one by one. The first one is if else. The standard syntax for if else is if condition opening curly braces, closing curly braces, else opening curly braces and closing curly braces. If the condition is true, then the if block get executed, otherwise else block get executed. Means when the condition is true, then if statement get executed, and when the condition is false, then else part get executed. In this standard syntax, else part is optional, and opening and closing curly braces of if block is also optional, but we can write down only one statement without curly braces in if block, and which should not be of a declarative type. Again, for in many languages there is one famous problem, else dangling problem. What is that? If suppose we have the multiple if cases and one else block, then the compiler get confused, else is related to which if. But in Java there is clear cut instruction for compiler to associate else with closest if block. Means dangling else problem very well handled in Java. So again, there are multiple combination of if else. The first one is nested if, means if within if. Second one is if else if. The third one is if else if ladder. By using if else if ladder, we can solve leap year problem very smart way. Suppose we have a problem statement to find out whether the given year is leap year or not. Then we can solve this problem by using if else if ladder in a following way. The first condition, if entered year mod 400 is equal to 0, then we can see out entered year is leap year. Second condition, else if entered year mod 100 is equal to 0, then the year is not leap year. The third condition, else if entered year mod 4 is equal to 0, then year is leap year. And the fourth condition, else we can write down entered year is not leap year. So this all about if else. The second selection statement is switch case. When condition are more than 2, then it is recommended that to use switch case. The standard syntax for a switch case is switch expression opening curly braces case 1 colon break case 2 colon break up to case n colon break, and last one is a default colon and closing curly braces. There are some standard conclusion on switch case block. The first one is switch accept only the byte, short, int and character type of value. The second conclusion on switch is in switch case curly braces are mandatory. In all other control statement in Java, curly braces are not mandatory. We can write down one statement without using curly braces, but switch case is the only control statement where braces are mandatory. The third conclusion is label should not be a duplicate, and yes, the label should not be of the duplicate type. So this is all for today. We will meet in soon. Thank you.